Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, your Garmin app runs in the background to sync data and deliver notifications. But you want to manage the background app refresh in this Garmin Connect app in 2026. So basically it's fully doable. So let's get started, fast and easy as usual. So why actually the background matters? Background app refresh lets Garmin Connect syncs automatically when you are not using it. Turn it off and your watch only syncs when you open the app. So on iPhone settings, then go look for General, Background App Refresh, Garmin Connect, then toggle off to disable or on to enable. Or basically you can also go through these settings, Garmin Connect, Background App Refresh, choose off, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi, etc. It depends on you. But here we have an Android version, it's quite almost the same. All we're gonna do now is tap on the app, then tap on this basically app info thing. We are here on basically Garmin Connect. We wanna go and see all of this information, including the mobile data usage. So as you see, we have allow background, basically data usage, allow data usage while data saver is on. It's basically your choice whether you want to turn it off or on. Also, you should go and check the battery settings, look if it's unrestricted, make sure it's always on. If it's optimized, it's adaptive or restricted, background fully off. So, if you turn background refresh off, your watch may not sync throughout the day. Notifications may also delay, but your phone saves the battery, and that's what you want. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.